Welcome to Tech City. This is part 4 of React for beginners. In this part 4, we'll see how to set states and also how to use events. So this is the project which I had used, which I created with the help of Create React App. In this Create React App, this is a folder which is called as src folder. Inside the app.js file, this app.js file, I removed all the code. I'll start writing the code from the beginning. So here I'll say import React from React, fine, and I'll say class app extends react.component, and here I'll write the first method, that is render method, and this will return the DOM. That DOM is outermost DOM, that is a DOM, that is a div. There is a parent div. I close this and close this parent div. Inside the parent div, I will say write a button, and this button I'll say change state. I'll say something like that. Okay. button, fine. This is the button. So, and also I will export default app, fine. Change state, and I'll say value of this, so not value, correct, what is it, this is fine. Change state, fine. Here, so you can see change state, this button is there. So on clicking, nothing is going to happen because I have written nothing, no code for that. Now below this I will say a br, and I will put a div. In fact, I will put in a variable this dot state dot method. That is going to be there. Now I'll declare the state here. State equal to mass initial state, fine. That is going to display here. See, initial state has come here. So whatever I want to write here, I'm going to there. But what I want to do, on clicking this button, I want to change the state. So for that, I will say I'll create an on click event. Here I'll put it as a curly brackets. In this I'll say this dot state, this dot, not this dot, I'll write a method which I'm going to write. So the method is change state. That is a method which I'm going to write here. This method I'll pass it here. See, change state equal to, so I'm passing it as a arrow function. So here this dot set, see, this is the new function which I want to do. Set dot, that is curly bracket. In this I'll say set state. So here I'll say mass equal to change state. You'll see this mesh state is going to change here. The state has been changed with the help of set and with the on clicking this button. So I'll press this button. You can see state changed here. State changed. Now here I hard coded this here, but I want this to be passed as an argument. That is curve state is the argument which I want to pass it here. Curve state. Okay. Now this curve state I want to pass it from this on click method here. How to do that? The best method is to bind. This is the best method. Bind with this and the whatever you want to pass it as a variable. That variable will say change from bind, fine. Change from bind. Also change state by bind, I'll say. Change from bind, and press it. See, change from bind came. Now this is the best method to pass arguments. There is one more method, is by passing in a anonymous function here. I'll show that here. Below here only I'll take button change by anon fun anon function button. Okay, here I'll say on click equal to, I'll here come here, this dot change state this anonymous function. I have to write anonymous function here, so this will contain this. Here I will say this dot change state, whatever you want to say, change by anon fun anon fun. Okay, yes, I am passing it as an anonymous function here. This is a less efficient method. This is the better method. So you press this, change by anon fun. If I press this, change by bind, change from bind, change by anonymous fun. These are the ways we use how to set state. Use always set state to change the values. That is the best method. And also use this bind method instead of this. This is not a good method. This is a better method. Always use bind method. In next tutorial, we'll see about controlled and uncontrolled components. Thank you.